we don't know how we'll go up this steep hill.
जाइए जाइए जाइए, थोड़ा बाइक को पीछे पकड़िए ना. There are so many turns. I don't know how I will reach up.
It is raining and we don't know how we'll go up this steep hill, so I'll take the snap because I don't know, I might fall also. Hopefully I don't fall, but let's hope for the best. When I return from any journey, I do not shoot any kind of video because I enjoy the ride when I'm going back in a peaceful way. But today is quite dangerous, and I think like if I can conquer this road going up, that will be a memory to cherish. And here we have Shubhamoy, who has given me the confidence that we can go up. Hi Shubhamoy. Ekdom. Okay, tu bike ki oidike rakhish. So I'll set up the GoPro, and this will be a single take because I won't be able to stop recording in between while going up. So yeah, let me show you this side also. This is the view from the bridge. There is the bridge. So yeah, I'll set up the camera and then we'll go ahead.
I'll just set it to rain mode. Hopefully it will work well. It has started raining again. Jaina. It is raining, can't do anything about it, so we'll go ahead. Hopefully we don't fall. This is the problem. Ego, দাঁড়াস না. जाइए 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 जाइए. भैया थोड़ा बाइक को पीछे पकड़िए ना. अरे उठेगा नहीं. हाँ थोड़ा पीछे पकड़िए. हो जाए. सामने आবার লাগবে রে. हाँ पेছনটা ধরতে হবে একটু. দাঁড়াও. ধরছো? আরে ধরে থাকবে, হ্যাঁ নালে ডান দিকে পড়বে. একজনকে আসতে হবে, নাহলে হবে না. খুব বাজে রাস্তা. আরে আমার এটা কি ভাইজারটা পুরো ঘোরে না. এমনি বাইক হলে আমি এখান থেকে উঠিয়ে নিয়ে চলে যাবো. আমার ভাইজারের জন্য তো আমি এখানে ওঠাতে গেলে ওইদিকে কাত হয়ে যাবে. কোচি এই দিকটা ধরো, হ্যাঁ হয়ে গেছে, ছেড়ে দাও। My God, and there are so many turns. I don't know how I will reach up. আরে নিচে আসতেও তো আটকে গেছিলাম আমি। হ্যাঁ না সেটা না, আমি আটকে গেছিলাম নিচে। একসাথে চল। My clutch plate will burn today. হয়ে যাবে। ও বাপরে, my God. This is the problem on riding on steep hill with this bike, where there is visor on both the side. Whew. अरे बाप रे, it's really difficult to ride like this. I have to be very careful here. Now that's a problem. How am I supposed to go from here? Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay. Oh, 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 बाप रे. I have to use more throttle now because I have switched the bike to rain mode for better control of ABS and the braking system. Whew, there is one place where I'm not certain how I will go. Just hope I will be able to go there probably. The engine has also got heated up a lot. I'll stop here. हाँ उधर ही है. उफ बाप रे. এটা জায়গাটা चलो 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 कि स्टार्ट नहीं. हाँ ওই খারাপ জায়গাটা কোথায়? খারাপ জায়গাটা কোথায়? আরো আগে?
টেম্পারেচার বেশি থাকলে স্টার্ট হবে না নাকি?
হবে হবে। ইয়েস, ফাইনালি চলে এসেছি। আরে 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 কি চাই কি চাই কি চাই কি চাই? আচ্ছা 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 আচ্ছা। আরে finally I could come up without any mishap. Oh, that was scary. Hope you all have enjoyed it, and if you have enjoyed it, do subscribe and like. More than subscribe and like, share it with others please. You can see how much like we have to go in different places and we have to face different challenges, and we bring it back, assemble everything and present it in front of you. So yeah, if it is possible, if you liked it, do share it with everyone who are your close one. Let me show you the view here. Awesome, isn't it? That portion was scary, but without any mishap I could come, and that is one more achievement unlocked for me and my bike. Feel pretty good about it, but yeah, there is one more portion out here in front which is bad, and that I have to cross properly, and then we can say yeah, mission accomplished. Yeah, we have almost reached, and my bike has got heated up again, 107 degrees centigrade. Okay. Yes. Shomuni, how was the experience?
Shomuni the local guy. Awesome.
Very awesome.
Thank you so much তোমাদের জন্য আজকে আমার
Okay, okay. ঠিক আছে, না না কোনো ব্যাপার না, একসাথে এসি যখন একসাথেই যাবো, কোনো ব্যাপার না।
condition of the road is very very good.
হ্যাঁ, এক্সেলেন্ট কন্ডিশন অফ দ্য রোড। হ্যাঁ সত্যি। ওকে সমনি, লেটস সাইন আউট।
Very wide and very
গ্র্যাজুয়াল, নো স্টিপ, নো স্টিপ। অয়ন কিছু বলবি? No comments. Okay, we will first search for a place to have our lunch. There are others also who are going right now. So that is all for this vlog. Shomunil, Oyon, we are signing out.
bye.
Bye bye.